Welcome family and friends to Pagans Beauty. I hope you enjoy my video. And just remember I have tagged anything that you might need to recreate these hairstyles in the tag section. Friends, I also want to thank you so much for watching and for your supporting my channel. Thank you so much. I really truly appreciate it. Friends and family, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Give me a like and comment your favorite part and any video ideas you might have. Thank you for watching. Bye.